Welcome back to Review Mastery. Today I'll dive into the top 5 e-ink tablet that truly stands out when it comes to quality, durability, and real value for your money. With so many options available in the market, it's often confusing to figure out which one is actually worth buying. That's where this video comes in. Today, I'll walk you through the best e-ink tablets, covering their key features, performance, durability, and the real pros and cons you should know before making a purchase. After careful research and comparison, I've selected these products because they've proven to be reliable and helpful for people like you. If you want to check the latest price, detailed specifications, or explore exclusive deals, don't forget to visit the links I've added in the description box below. Those resources will save you time, money, and help you make the smartest buying decision. So, without any further delay, let's dive into the video. We're kicking things off with an excellent start, something that proves great performance doesn't always mean high price. At number 5, flytek AINOTE Air 2, digital notebook with AI transcription, ChatGPT support for work, study and AMP, meetings. Sleek, smart, and surprisingly powerful. Perfect for anyone looking for real value and reliability. The flytek AINOTE Air 2 is a smart digital notebook designed to make work, study, and meetings more efficient with the power of AI transcription and built-in ChatGPT support, offering a modern tool that blends writing with intelligent features. With its slim and lightweight design, it is easy to carry anywhere, making it ideal for professionals who need to capture meeting notes, students who want to keep lectures organized, or anyone who prefers a paper-like writing experience with digital convenience. The AI transcription feature allows you to record spoken words and turn them into accurate text, which saves time and ensures important details are never lost. The ChatGPT integration adds another layer by assisting with quick summaries, brainstorming, or drafting text directly on the device, making it versatile for different tasks. Its digital pen provides smooth handwriting, letting you sketch ideas or write notes naturally while still storing everything in an organized and searchable way. The clear advantage of this device is how it combines note-taking and AI tools into one simple platform, while the main drawback may be that it requires learning some new features for first-time users and may not replace full laptops for heavy work. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. Stepping up the game, number 4 takes innovation to the next level. Coming in at number 4, we have BOOX Go Color 7, 2nd Gen, compact color e-ink tablet, 4 GB RAM, 64 GB storage, active Stylus support. Combining advanced design, solid build, and features that make your experience smoother than ever. The BOOX Go Color 7 2nd Generation is a compact color e-ink tablet that brings together the clarity of traditional e-readers with the vibrancy of color, making it a smart choice for anyone who enjoys books, comics, and note-taking on the go. With a 7-inch color display, it delivers crisp black and white text while also supporting colorful images, giving you the flexibility to enjoy both reading and creative tasks. Backed by 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, it offers smooth performance and plenty of space to keep your library, notes, and documents with you wherever you go. The active Stylus support makes it easy to highlight text, sketch, or jot down quick ideas, adding a practical layer for students, professionals, or anyone who wants more than just reading. Its lightweight design makes it perfect for commuting, traveling, or relaxing at home without feeling bulky. One of its biggest strengths is offering color in an e-ink display, something many readers will appreciate, while still maintaining eye comfort for long sessions. On the downside, the smaller screen size may feel limited for heavy document editing or multitasking, but the portability makes up for it. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. Alright, things are getting really exciting now. Our number 3 pick is one that's loved by thousands worldwide. At number 3, VIWOODS AiPaper Carta 1300 to 10.65 inches, 300 ppi, AI e-ink tablet with pen and 128 GB storage. It delivers premium performance, outstanding comfort, and a look that never goes out of style. The VIWOODS aiPaper Carta 1300 is a sleek 10.65-inch AI-powered e-ink tablet that blends the clarity of a 300 pixel per inch display with the convenience of digital note-taking, making it an excellent choice for readers, writers, students, and professionals who value focus and simplicity. Its paper-like screen is easy on the eyes and creates a natural reading and writing experience, while the included pen lets you highlight, annotate, sketch, and take notes with ease, making it ideal for studying, meetings, or personal journaling. With 128 gigabytes of storage, you can keep thousands of books, documents, and notes with you wherever you go, and the lightweight design makes it simple to carry while traveling or commuting. The AI-powered features help organize notes and boost productivity, while the long battery life ensures that you can use it for weeks without worrying about constant charging. One of the biggest advantages is its distraction-free design, giving you a focused environment without unnecessary apps or notifications. However, it does not support colorful illustrations or video playback like a traditional tablet, which may feel limiting for some users. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. We're almost at the top, and this next one is a serious contender for number 1. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2, Remarkable Paper Pro Bundle, 11.8 inches paper tablet with marker plus and eraser. Built with precision and innovation, it's a powerhouse that professionals absolutely trust. The Remarkable Paper Pro Bundle, with its 11.8-inch paper tablet, marker plus, and built-in eraser is designed to give you the most natural writing experience in digital form, making it perfect for professionals, students, and creatives who want focus without distractions. Its crisp paper-like display feels like writing on real pages, allowing you to sketch, take notes, annotate documents, or plan projects with remarkable ease. The Marker Plus offers precision and comfort, while the integrated eraser makes corrections feel natural, helping you work more efficiently without breaking your flow. With cloud syncing, your notes and documents can be accessed across devices, keeping your work organized and available whenever you need it. Unlike traditional tablets, this device is built purely for focus, meaning no social media or unnecessary apps to distract you from your goals. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry anywhere, whether for business meetings, study sessions, or personal journaling. While the absence of a bright color display or multimedia features may be seen as a drawback compared to regular tablets, the trade-off is a distraction-free workspace that helps you think and create more clearly. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. And here it is, the moment you've been waiting for. The absolute best of the best. At number 1, Amazon Kindle Scribe Premium Bundle 64 GB, AI-powered e-reader plus pen for digital notes and docs. This one redefines what performance really means: unmatched build quality, user satisfaction, and a reputation that speaks louder than words. The Amazon Kindle Scribe Premium Bundle with 64 GB of storage brings together the best of reading and writing in one powerful, lightweight device, perfect for anyone who wants to enjoy books and take digital notes without distractions. With a large, crisp e-ink display, it feels natural on the eyes and mimics the experience of reading from paper, making it ideal for long sessions whether at home, on the go, or while traveling. The included premium pen allows you to jot down notes, highlight text, and annotate documents directly on the screen, turning this Kindle into a practical tool for students, professionals, and book lovers alike. Backed by advanced AI-powered features, it makes organizing notes and syncing documents simple, and its long-lasting battery means you can go weeks without recharging. The generous 64 GB storage capacity ensures you have plenty of room for an entire library of books, magazines, and personal documents, making it a true all-in-one reading and writing companion. While it may not support colorful illustrations like a tablet, and the pen experience can take some time to get used to, the trade-off is a distraction-free environment with sharp clarity and comfort. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. That's all from today's reviews. I hope this video helped you understand which option fits your needs best. To make things easier for you, I've added all the product links in the description box below, so you can check the latest price, detailed specifications, and grab the best deals available right now. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with friends who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more honest product reviews. And if you have any questions, experiences, or suggestions, feel free to drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.